Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we're making something really special, creamy carbonara. It's rich, cheesy, and oh so satisfying. Imagine perfectly cooked spaghetti, crispy bacon, and luscious creamy sauce. Ready? Trust us, you don't want to miss this. Let's get ready. Okay, first step, let's get started by boiling some water in a large pot. Once it's boiling, add your spaghetti noodles. Give them a quick stir to prevent them from sticking and let them cook until perfect. This is the base for our creamy carbonara. Once the spaghetti is fully cooked, drain the water and transfer them onto a plate. Set them aside for now. Now let's cook some bacon. Lay each piece in a hot pot and let them sizzle until they're golden and crispy, just the way we like it. Next, flip each piece of bacon to the other side and let it cook to golden perfection. That crispy, smoky goodness is what makes this dish irresistible. Okay, now once the bacon is perfectly crispy, take it out, chop it into small pieces and place it onto a plate. Set it aside for later. It's going to add a smoky crunch to our creamy carbonara. Next up, grab some ham and slice it into small pieces. This adds a savory, slightly sweet touch to our creamy carbonara. Set it aside, we'll need it soon. Next, heat some cooking oil in a pot, then toss in the chopped garlic. Saute it until it's fragrant. This is where our flavor journey begins. Now add the chopped onions and give it a good stir. It's time to add the sliced ham. Toss it into the pot and give it a nice stir. Let the flavors mingle and the ham heat through. It's already smelling amazing. For the next step, toss in your sliced mushrooms and stir them in. Let them cook down and soak up all the delicious flavors from the garlic and the onions. Next, pour in a glass of evaporated milk. This will give our sauce that rich, creamy texture. Stir it in well, then crumble in half a pork cube to bring in some savory depth. Keep stirring until everything blends beautifully. The aroma is already so tempting. We can't wait to try this. Now add your carbonara sauce and give it a good stir. This is where the magic happens, people. The sauce is going to turn everything into something creamy and delicious. Let it simmer for minutes so that all the flavors can come together. Alright, time to bring in the bacon. Add those crispy golden bacon pieces to the pot, then toss in some shredded cheese. Stir everything together and watch as the cheese melts into that creamy sauce. This is the moment your taste buds have been waiting for. Okay, we're almost there. Now take that perfectly cooked spaghetti and add it to the pot. Give it a good stir, making sure every strand is coated with that creamy cheesy sauce. The bacon, the cheese, and the sauce will come together, creating a luscious coating on the noodles. Keep stirring until everything is well mixed. You've got yourself the most irresistible creamy carbonara you can imagine. And just like that, our creamy carbonara is ready to serve. Well done. Wow. Look at all of that. The crispy bacon, the melted cheese with the spaghetti, all the ham, the savory goodness. Go ahead and take a bite. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes just like this one. Thank you so much. Cheers.